Hello dear students. In previous lecture of sources of food we have completed this chapter and I have given you 4 exercise questions, that is A, B, C, D which. Okay, now I am solving them. So your question first A have 7 parts. The answer to first part. Which one of the following is not prepared from milk? So your option is for first is C, that is oil. Oil is not prepared by the milk. Okay. Second, the edible part of the potato plant, that you will answer will be B, that is your roots. Third, we can sprout seed in. Your option is D, mean to say moist cloth. Fourth, the sprouted seeds contain more. Option is A, carbohydrate. Fifth, the edible part of the apple plant is your fruit, yani option D. Sixth, we eat root of what? D, radish. Seventh, last one, the color of the structure grown of the sprouted foods is actually B, yani white. So these are the answer for your A, exercise A part. Okay. Next one is your B. Okay. Now you have given the diagrams in which one is bear, second is sheep, third is vulture they are showing, and fourth is lion. So your first option A, herbivores, matched with second. In second you can clearly say sheep. Option B, that is your carnivore, mean to which eat flesh. That option match to part fourth, in which you see lion. Now C, in which he is given omnivore. Omnivore mean which eat both. And in that case, you finally your picture met with the first one, that is your bear. D, scavenger. Scavenger mean to say which eat dead particular, which alive on. Okay, so the option match to thirds, that is your vulture. Okay, these are the answer for your B, match the following. Now come to C part, in which you have seen the fill in the blanks. 8 fill in the blanks is given. I am solving one by one. First, we get sugar from sugar cane. Second, we get milk from cows and buffalo. You can also write down sheep. Third, honeybees store honey in their hives. They have hives. Chatte. Fourth, 2 ingredients of boiled rice. 2 blanks are given in this particularly. You can use first one is the water. Second, raw rice are the key ingredients for the rice, boiled rice. Okay. Fifth, animals that eat both plant and flesh, both. They are called known as omnivores. Sixth, bacteria and fungi are called decomposers. They are known as decomposers. Seventh, we should not spoil food in any way. Eighth, honeybees are kept in ivory for rearing, or you can write down apiculture as well. Okay, the process is apiculture and they are known as ivories. Okay. Now it's come to D. Very short answer questions, single word questions you can answer. 6 part it have. I am answering you one by one. First, what are the animals that eat only plants and plant products called? They are called herbivores. Second, name 4 food items we get from milk. So sorry, from animals: milk, flesh, or you can write down meat, egg, milk, egg, meat, and honey. Okay, these are the 4 examples which we get from the animals. Third, name 2 edible stem. Edible stem is, first one you can write down, sugarcane. First one is sugarcane. Let's go continue. And second is your cauliflower. Cauliflower you can eat stem, and for sugarcane both. Fourth, what are the materials needed to prepare food items called? They are called ingredients which are needed for any particular food. The fifth one, what is the rearing of honeybees on a large scale called? That is called apiculture. Sixth, the last one, name 2 plants whose flowers are eaten as vegetable. So you can use banana and sunflower. Okay, these 2 are edible parts of some plants. So we have your homework clearly solved up to here. Today your homework is regarding do exercise part E and F, both E and F. These 2 you have to do particularly today in your rough notebook. Okay, thank you.